Hey everybody, it's me, Benita. I'm back with another Love My Minis video. Today we have a cake cabinet suit. My first kitchen play toy. I've seen these on Amazon and I've always wanted to get one. There are different items that come in each one. We have some with donuts, some with what looks to be like lunch items, and some with desserts. They all have different utensils for display. If you get a chance, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can keep making my videos and help my channel to grow. All right, let's get to making. Well, we're not making this during this video, but let's get to opening so we can find out what fun stuff we have in this box. See you soon. Okay, friends, here you see our main display case. There's a sign under here. We have our fruit. Oh my goodness. This is like my favorite part, so let's go ahead and open it and see. Yay! Yay! Okay, so we have grapes, we got apples, strawberry. Oh, look. Got our lemons. Oh, okay. So I've had these grapes before with another set of miniatures. We have our bread. I think we have at least two of each thing, two of each item, three for the breads. Okay. So we have our vegetables, fruits and our breads. Here we have our utensils. Here are all of our utensils. We have our spoons and forks. They have a little weight to them if you can hear them when they click together. Here's our tiny fork, little tiny spoon with, oh goodness, I like the little detail on it. That's nice. Yes. Okay. So we have our utensils here so that people can serve themselves. We have our trays. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays. Flat on the bottom. Little basket detail, woven basket detail at the top. We have our, oh, that's nice. We have our dishes. Hold on, let's see. And these might be what you use to display them in the display items in the case. We'll look on the box to see. But we have our rectangular ones. We got trays with 3 sections, bowls. We got, they look like saucers. This one. They're all different dishes. We got a square one, larger circular plate. Oh, I like this one. Kind of like almost a scallop finish. Every last one is different. I am not lying to you. Every last one is different. Okay. Here we have jams. We have milk. Let's see. Coffee. Oh, a little cookie with cherries. There's our coffee. Yay. We got juice. A cupcake. Oh, cupcake treat with a bow. Oh my goodness. Look at this cookie in the shape of a bear. The strawberry on it. Got a part of a slice of a roll cake with a strawberry. Another slice of cake with a strawberry. Got milk and 2 jams. Fig, yeah, fig spread. Can't see the other one. But they are both cute. Okay. This was only $9. This was well worth the price. For all this stuff? Okay. When you serve the folk, reach in with the tongs to get their dessert, or you can just use it for play. Hey. All right. I like this dessert. This one caught my eye. Look at that. All right. We have, a nice chocolate dessert. Again with a strawberry. Oh. Okay, we got more milk. A different container this time. We got chocolates and berries on there as well with the chocolate dessert. We have one boba tea and another type of beverage with our little straws. Here we go. And, oh, look at that little cupcake. Another cupcake. Oh my goodness. Okay, these must be for storage. I like this. Here we go. So you can store your items. Look at that. That's nice. All right. And more breads, but what are the duckies for? Huh. We'll find out. Here we go. Let's see. All right. We have our little cups of coffee, complete with saucer. We got 2 of them. Got another croissants. More breads. Here we go. But as I said before, I don't know what the duckies are for. All right. So we got to get ready to assemble this. This is hours of play. Here, look at this. Okay. So this will be for our sign. So that, wait a minute. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the larger one at the bottom. Here we go. And we can set that right there. And here's our sign. So for breakfast, get yourself a croissant, French toast, bagel. Look at that. Or it can be your bakery shop. My goodness. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, so here's the bakery shop sign. And oh my goodness. Look at that. Or your breakfast sign. There we go. This is going to have to be 2 videos. It's going to be too long. I don't like doing 15, 20-minute videos. So we're going to go ahead and end this one right here. And the next one will be assembly. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Come back and get that next video. Yay! Peace.